Hi friends, this is a 32-inch Geepas LED TV. Here the complaint is with the backlight. This is the model number. Friends, here you can see there are total 2 LED strips in this TV. Here you can see one of the LED is not working. See friends, this LED is not functioning. See, so the problem is with this LED in this strip. It's a 6 volt LED strip. Here each individual LED is of 6 volt and the top LED strip is working. See, here each individual LED is of 6 volt. Here, instead of replacing the faulty one, we are going to replace the entire LED strip with a new one. Here you can see the topmost LED strip is working properly. But to avoid backlight related complaints in future, we should always try to replace the entire LED strip with a new one. So here you can see, here we take 2 new LED strips. See, these are the 2 new LED strips. So let's install these 2 new LED strips. See friends, now we placed the panel and all sockets back to TV. Now everything is fitted back. Here you can see the final result. Now the backlight is okay and the picture comes. So now let's put the back cover back to TV and put all screws. See friends, here you can see the final result. Now after changing backlight, we need to enter into a service mode. The service mode code is menu 1147. After pressing the menu button on the remote, you need to immediately press the 1147. See friends, now we entered into a service mode. Now go to panel setting. In panel setting, here you can see the backlight value is in 100. For increasing the lifetime of the backlights, we need to maintain the backlight level in between minimum 40% to maximum of 70%. So here I adjusted the backlight level in 50%. So now the final step is done. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thanks for watching.